In this little clip, I'll be talking about excluding apps from search results. So that sounds a bit dodgy, doesn't it? Because why would you ever want to exclude stuff from search results? But there's definitely a place for everything. And I'm going to use an example of lists that I use for lookups. So I'm just going to go to site contents. And on this little demo intranet of mine, I've got a couple of lists here that I actually use as lookups for my libraries, etc. So for example, document types would have items in like forms and templates, policies, presentations, procedures. So even though everyone has access to read this, I'm not worried that they find it in search results. I definitely don't want people to find these items every time they search for policy. So a great way then would be is to go to the specific list, go to the list settings. So settings, wheel list settings. Remember again, if you're SharePoint on premises, an older version, your settings will be in the ribbon at the top. So in the settings for the specific list, I can then go to advanced settings. So under advanced settings, you'll see that there is an item here, allow items from this list to appear in search results. I'm going to change that to no. And something important, it says, specify whether this list should be visible in search results. Users who do not have permission to see these items will not see them in search results no matter what the setting is. So that's important to know, that even if it is appearing in search results, I still wouldn't see it if I didn't have access to the list. Because of course, it's all security trimmed, permission based, the search content that we see. So this is how I would exclude this list from search results, so that when users then search for items, let's say for example policies, they won't find this normal item as well, which is actually just a lookup list that I'm using. So excluding items from search results is definitely a cool way to exclude these things so that they aren't picked up. Another example would be, for example, a product listing that's being used. Maybe you don't want the products to be picked up in search, but you're rather using it in a database somewhere. So again, you could exclude any of your apps in SharePoint from search results to not make it appear when users go directly to search across the site. I hope that helps you, and I hope it solves a couple of problems.